I'm feeling some lemon pepper today. So we're gonna do some smoked lemon pepper wings, some honey lemon pepper wings. Fresh wings. Gonna hit it with a little oil. Pop it off with the salt and pepper. Smokehouse salt and pepper. Real simple, lemon pepper. Get a little massage going. If your wings ain't seasoned like this, you need to put some more seasoning on there.
I like to add a little smoked paprika.
For some color. If they wasn't lemon pepper, I probably would have. But that's all you need right there. You just gotta make sure you got that season.
I'm gonna go ahead and take these wings out here to hubby. He got the grill hot and ready to go. The best chicken is smoked wings.
You said what?
The best chicken is smoked wings.
Think so?
No, so.
We're gonna see what these we finna see what these smoked lemon peppers gonna be hitting on there.
We're gonna make some sauce for this wing. So I got some butter. And hubby should be in here any minute with those wings. Just a little half a stick. Smokehouse salt and pepper. Heavy on the lemon pepper. And some honey. Add you a little bit of garlic. Not too much. And I just got a splash of lemon juice. That's how it should be looking. Cut that heat down a little bit.
On to it.
With a little bit of smokehouse.
A nice little shake. You like that smell? All right.
It smells good. Okay. We about to try my husband's, what is this?
Smokehouse honey lemon pepper.
Smokehouse honey lemon
Bah.
pepper smoked wings. Not fried, but smoked.
Let me get you a little plate here together.
All right, get me into it. They real wet. Okay, I love me a wet wing. I don't really care for the dry rub.
Okay.
Ooh, they look
Get
good.
you a little
and
ranch.
they smell good.
All right, here you go. Got your little cup,
Okay,
little ranch.
thank you.
Even though I strongly don't agree with ranch and lemon pepper, but
Who made it up?
there you go. All right.
And this is a wet lemon pepper, so it's kind of different from the dry lemon pepper.
Go ahead and tap in and tell me what you think.
It's done in the middle. Thank you, baby. You're the sweetest.
Talk to him.
10 out of 10.
Talk to him.
That's good. That's real good.
Talk to me. Maxing.